What's up everyone, it's Jaquil, your guide to living with Apple every day, and in this video I'm actually recording on a loud train, which is why it's a voiceover, and I'm going to show you how to add documents and downloads and any other tabs you want to the side of your MacBook if you don't have it by default. So without further ado, let's get started. So you're here at the Finder and you can't seem to find documents or any other tab that you want. How do you find it? You make sure you're in Finder, you click on this bottom left right here, and when you click it, your Finder should pop up. Then you go into the top left corner right here where it says Finder, you click on it, you go to Settings. In Settings, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and it might not be clicked. So, for example, you see right now, there's no documents and no downloads. So that might have accidentally either been clicked off or by default it wasn't on. So you go into settings and you see that it was clicked off right there. See, it's clicked off. Then click them on. Now documents and downloads are down here. And then you just move them up to where you like it best. I like it in the middle, right there. Make sure you subscribe for more Apple tips.